Okay guys, I'm back again. We pretty much got everything set up already. It's just like the reverse of taking it off, putting it back together. Uh, it fit perfectly. It fit perfectly fine. There's no problem with it. I mean, obviously you guys can see with a 99 Toyota Camry 99 X XLE or whatever it is, but I'm guessing that there is a huge difference on motor wise. It's pretty much the same the same snake style, let's put it like that, with the original one. You can see, so this part is literally facing a lot of ways different wrong. It's like it's too different. It's just not made for this one. And you guys can see the 98 compared to this one. It's just like it fits perfectly fine. I mean, I'm already finishing up, guys, right here, but I just wanted to show you, like, what it is, like I was doing right now. Um, there's few little things here and there that I need to still fix, but other than that, I mean, the car's complete already for me. I already put it all together. You guys remember when I did the van cover job? When I broke that part right there, and luckily for me, I went to the junkyard and I was able to get it for under like $3, I think it was. I couldn't find an over new. I mean, I found it, but it was. I'm not gonna pay more than I needed, so I just bought it. The one I had, it was broken. Um, I need a motor mount, but that pretty much will be it. Let me see what else I'm missing. Nah, not missing anything else. Put it all together. It should be fine. Yeah, it should be fine. Alright, guys, this be it. Just wanted to show you what I did, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the second part, which is not too long, but just give you an idea of what I did. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, don't forget to subscribe, and I really, really appreciate you guys subscribing and enjoying these videos. Thank you.